For today's video, mag-dinner kami dito sa bahay. Simple celebration, throwing a birthday dinner of our grandson, mga may guys. So, andito na si Mommy. So, Mommy and Naknak, she helped me to do the balloon. And then, we have egg roll, lumpia. We have pizza, Daddy, and, you know, the mommy of Melania getting the pizza. So, while here, the baby Melania and Naknak, she's here. And finally, mga my guys, andito na, natapos na talaga ako. Nagbay kami sa kanya ng cake and then watermelon. Very simple lang kasi kami lang. Kasi mag-ano din sila, may birthday celebration din sila. Kasi busy kasi dito sa Amerika. Oy, so need talaga ng time. So kami, nag-ano kami ni Daddy, now we gonna do celebrate a dinner in the house. And the baby girl try to walk. So she's chunky. I love her, mga my guys. She is sweet. She always smile. And then she tastes my egg roll. And finally, mga my guys, so she's here. Oh, so cute. While we're waiting, Daddy, they pick up the pizza and knock in here. And then, the birthday boy is here. So precious. So, I love taking memories. Especially, they are, you know, little. When I see every year pops up on my memories. Oh my gosh, that's a precious, like knock. Oh, look at the baby Melania is here. She's smiling. I told her Mommy. I told her Daddy, and she just smile always. And finally, we're here. We start eating because, you know, we're all hungry, even though me, I'm hungry. And then the baby girl, she stand up. And then this is her mommy said this is her first day. Very cute. I did not I off the music because I don't want the copyright. So, sayang lang yung video ko pag ma-copyright. And then, we are get ready. Mag-sing ng happy birthday to si Daddy. Nag-ready na din siya sa cake ni Sweet Birthday Sammy. So, andito na. Pinalakaw-lakaw na namin yung bata. So, she's scared na. So, she just do one time. She just show us. Like, stand one time. And then, finally, she said, enough. So, we have a good time of our family yesterday. So, and then, ready na si Daddy. Nagdala na si Daddy ng cake para sa sweet boy. So, andito na. Hindi ko na din inaano yung, sing for birthday. Kasi may TV. Makapiright ako. Sayang naman yung mga video ko na hindi makips. So, makapiright lang talaga. Andyan na si sweet boy. Very handsome. Very handsome talaga yan siya. Oh, tingnan nyo yan mga my guys. And then, knock. There she is. Nag-cry na mga my guys. She got jealous kasi she like to open gifts. But I told her enough. This is not your birthday. It's Sammy's birthday. So, and then, her mama bring her gifts. So, finally, in the morning, she really surprised mga my guys of her gifts on her mau. So, yan, nag-open gifts na sila. Tapos, andyan na mga my guys. O, yan po yung binili namin sa kanya. Damit, 2 damit, tsaka toys. O, kasi gusto sa kanyang mommy na toys lang. So, she have a lot of clothes, but we still give him a clothes. So, yan. So, and then, nag-enjoy talaga kami spend time sa among mga family. And then, si Mommy. Andito na din si Mommy. At saka, tapos na kaming nagkain-kain. Nag-chika minute muna kami dito. While ako, mga my guys, I'm ready to clean. Para, hindi naman ako ang daming limpyuhin. O, ganyan. Tapos, si Naknak, nag-eat siya ng cake. Tapos, nagsisilos talaga yan siya, mga my guys. Nagjilos yan siya. O, paiyak-iyak. Agoy. Niko, isulod yung karon sa imuhang room. O, doon na. Naluoy na ang nanay. O, pinalitan na ni Mommy ng gifts. Tapos, si Daddy andito na. And then, the baby girl is jumping to Daddy. Her papa. O, mga my guys, tingnan nyo na. Very precious, mga my guys. She is sweet. The baby girl is very sweet. And that's our precious memories, my guys, no? So anyway, thank you so much for supporting and watching.